Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and once again I welcome you to my IELTS writing video, and this video is on essay writing. Well, I'm sitting here. This is the beautiful location. It's called Patriata. Patriata is very close to Murray Hills, and that is near capital Islamabad, capital city. There I'm making this video for you and I'm enjoying the weather. The sun is shining brightly and I'm sitting. Pine trees are all around me, so it's good. Okay, now we are going to learn how to give ideas and discuss them. It's another important thing because they give you discussion essay and opinion essay. In opinion essay, you have to give your ideas, and in a discussion essay, you have to discuss those ideas. So the phrases which I'm going to teach you now, these phrases are going to be quite helpful in terms of writing a discussion essay or opinion essay, and these phrases are basically cohesive devices and lexes for IELTS essay. Let's take a start. You can start your sentence with, people argue a lot nowadays about whether smoking should be banned at all the public places or not. Okay, this is how you can present your idea. People argue a lot nowadays. Furthermore, after furthermore, you can add another sentence in favor of what you said before. Now, there are two ways. You don't write furthermore and you write a sentence, but that's not useful. You should write furthermore. Furthermore is a linking device, a cohesive device that links. When you say furthermore, it means you're going to say something in the context of what you said in the previous sentence. So this is really a good thing. Then nevertheless. Nevertheless means all things considered and regardless of all that. So nevertheless, on the whole, I believe that. You can use this phrase when you are giving your opinion. For example, you got an opinion essay, or at the end of discussion essay, in conclusion, you want to give your opinion. You can write on the whole, comma, I believe that, and then whatever you believe you can write. Then you can use the words like first or firstly, second or secondly, third or thirdly, and lastly in the last paragraph. From an economic standpoint, now there are different standpoints. For example, from social standpoint, from children's standpoint, from parents' standpoint. Standpoint means the point of view. So you can use this word. It's quite good. In addition, comma, many people. It means you're going to add something to your sentence. For example, in addition, many people suffer from smoking related diseases regardless the fact they don't smoke actively. Okay, like that. Next, it is often argued that. It is often argued that, and then you can write something that is argued. I mean, this can be when you're not giving your opinion, you're just talking in a general sense. It is often argued that censorship is necessary, right? In contrast, now when you're writing a contrast paragraph in your opinion essay, introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and contrast paragraph, there you can write, in contrast, opponents of censorship point out. In contrast, opponents of smoking at public places point out, and then you can mention whatever they point out. That's important. Next, you can write furthermore, it is generally felt that. You said something and now you want to add on some sentences. So there you can say furthermore, it is generally felt that, and then you can complete your sentence. An additional advantage of education is that. An additional advantage of, and then whatever the thing is, then you write is that, and then you can mention that advantage. The greatest disadvantage of censorship is that. For example, you're writing advantages, disadvantages essay. There you can write these phrases. An additional advantage of something is that, or the greatest disadvantage of something is that, and then you can mention. Another negative aspect of censorship is that. When you're writing advantages, disadvantages essay. For example, the topic is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of leaving your country to live or study abroad? You can write another negative aspect of leaving your country to live or study abroad is that, and then you mention that. Is that clear? Okay. One convincing argument in favor of leaving your country and going abroad is that, and then you mention that. See that these are very good phrases and you can practice. Another drawback of censorship is that, another drawback means another disadvantage. Then skeptics point out that, so people who are skeptical or skeptical, we also say C is silent. Skeptics point out that, what do they say? Skeptics are those people who criticize something. We also call it as skeptics. There is another side to the issue. Now, there is another side to the issue means now you're going to talk about contrast. This is partly true when you don't agree or disagree entirely. It is true to a certain extent. So these are some phrases which you can use in your opinion essay, discussion essay, advantages, disadvantages essay, and these phrases are going to help you. Now I'm going to show you all these phrases and you can just pause the video and write them down on your notebook. Okay, just write them down on your notebook and then you can practice. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best from Patriata, Murray. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.